bills. Pips pay my bills. Pips pay my bills. Pips pay my bills.
Hey, what's up, team? This your boy Jay Wayne, and I wanted to just bring this to you because it's potential. It has potential. It's not guaranteed. All right, but I want to bring this to you just in case it ends up playing out. I want you to be aware of it. I want you to be on top of it. And I want you to have time to be able to catch it. All right, so this is the GBPJPY on the daily chart. It's been going up forever, right? And we've seen it before. Let me see. We've seen it before. You see this bearish engulfing candlestick, that red one? That's kind of the same as you see this one right there. All right, so we didn't seen that before. So I'm trying to I'm trying to discover when is it potentially, going to slow down and pull back. All right, because it can go higher. It can keep going higher. It's been going higher, it's been going up like crazy. So I'm thinking it might be a pullback coming up. And if it is, this is how we're going to catch it. So go to the 4-hour chart. And on this 4-hour chart, let me see. No, let's go back to the daily chart. Yep, the daily chart. And let's put this trend line, pretty much bring it through here. All right. Now we see that. Now let's go down to the 4-hour. Yeah, it's pretty good. So we got the trend line up. So now that just helps us identify, the area it broke from and the area it retested. Now the next thing is I like to get in on these trades at the shoulder level. So what I mean by that, if there's anybody new watching this is the left shoulder. This is the head level. And then this is the right shoulder. So I want to be able to get in on the right shoulder move and come down. So that's what I'm looking for. That trade would be great if it plays out like that. You never know, but we have to be ready. So here's let's see. I want to say about right here, and then put another level about right here. So that's a nice level right there. Ultimately, we want to see it stay below this trend line. All right, we don't want to break it above the trend line again. And you can also throw another one up. All right, like that. So now we can go ahead and wait patiently. Some people like to take it, right at the right shoulder level where it's at right now. But use risk management, because if this, pulls back a little deeper, you want to be able to withstand that. This is the 4-hour chart. This is a swing trade. So use risk management. Now, some people are going to wait for it to break that trend line. That's perfectly fine. Wait for it to break that trend line on like the hour chart. All right. So you see that. You can wait for it to break that trend line, and then you can go ahead and just day trade that. You don't even have to scalp it. You can day trade. That's an opportunity right there from the trend line break. Some people is going to just, use that zone that I just drew up and take a sell when it comes out of that, right. If it ends up retesting and pulling back, not even the trend line break, just pulling out of that bottom zone at 198.191. Some people going to take a trade there. So do it how you do it, but it's multiple eating opportunities. It's multiple areas where you can take profit on this trade, and some people will just try to hold the whole thing. Now, I don't want to speculate how far to drop, but I want to say pretty much that's the neckline. So, that's like the first level. second level, and then it can just, you can work it all the way down. I don't want to just get too crazy with that. All right, so this is where I'm saying about 200 pips at. 200 plus potentially. Nothing is guaranteed. 196.545. All right, and then on the daily chart, look on your chart to see if, because I don't have the RSI on mine, but look on your chart and see if there's divergence happening. I think it is. My MACD is already starting to cross over into the red bars, and the MACD and the signal line is already crossing downward. I mean, anything can happen. It can change. The elections just happened. Trump just won. Anything can happen. But, this is the potential trade that I see. And if it works out, it's going to be great. Now, if it doesn't sell and it end up buying, then you just want to trade the buys, just like how this break and retest was on that zone. So it's just break and retest. And then you would only trade that to the top of the trend line. All right. So you would just trade it just like that. So, no bias. It's just an opportunity that I see. I see bigger opportunity if it happens to drop off. But we can catch it either way. So, hey, what's up, team? This your boy Jay Wayne, representing Team Take Profits. And I'm here to tell you that the new Discord is live, up and ready to go. And look, it's better than before. I had it separated to where the people that wanted signals was separated from the people that wanted to actually master forex. Now everything is brought together. Everybody is learning the same thing. I'm giving you signals. Okay. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. That's when I'm looking for trades. Okay. I'm giving you trade setups. The difference is signals. I'm giving you the coordinates, entry, stop loss, take profit. The trade setups is actually teaching you how to trade and find your own setups. They're giving you the entries. I'm marking it up for you. I'm showing you exactly what I'm looking for. And then you can be in the community and ask me questions about it, or even post your charts and ask me questions about whatever you're trading. All right. So we got the community. You got access to me all day long. And also I teach live forex class on Sundays at 6 p.m. Central Standard Time. Okay, that's where I'm teaching you how to master forex. I'm giving you the game. I'm lacing you all the way up. All right, at 6 o'clock. So you can come to those classes. They're recorded and then they're uploaded for you to watch them whenever you want to, or just rewatch them to master it. The link to it is in the description. I'll put it up here as well. Very affordable. And I did it for y'all. Everybody's getting everything. All right. There's no separation anywhere. We're all learning the same thing together. And I'm going to make sure y'all master this and become independent traders. Let's go.